Today, we will learn how to get started with the MoticNet app from a student's perspective and explore its main features. You can download the app from the iOS and Android stores. In this video, we will show you the Android version. First, on your device, tap on the MoticNet app icon. You can access the MoticNet system in two different ways, manually or by scanning a QR code. Let's see how to do this. To do it manually, first make sure the device is connected to the MoticNet network. Then, from the first screen, enter the student's name and the microscope number you want to use. Please note that each microscope or camera has its own number, and you can find it on a sticker. Once done, just tap on Sign In. The second way to connect to your microscope is by scanning the QR code placed on the microscope or camera. You just need to tap on Scan to log in and scan the QR code using your device camera. Inside the app, you can identify two areas, one with the main functions and another one with extra information and settings. Let's take a look at some of the most important ones. Here, you will find the different functions that help students work with the image from their microscope or interact with the teacher. From Micro Image, you can access the live image from your connected microscope. Here, you can see 4 menu areas. From the bottom right corner, you can start by choosing the objective you are currently using, in our case, 40 times, and from the Calibration tab, create a new calibration or choose one already created. In the same area, you can also see if the connection with the teacher is established or not. Please note that the teacher screen will be displayed on your device until the teacher finishes the streaming by clicking on the Teaching Demo button. From the options located on the left side, you can find different image adjustment tools to adjust the white balance automatically or manually. Rotate the image. Change brightness, contrast, saturation, hue, gamma, or sharpness. And you can also add grids to the image. On the right side, you have 2 icons, one to capture images with the adjustments applied, and the other to record videos. In the upper part, if you tap on the Measure button, a new window will appear. From here, you can use basic tools for measurement and annotation like lines, circles, rectangles, pointers, and more. Or change their appearance from Settings and save them. The Sharing tab shows a pop-up notification every time the teacher creates a new practice using LabMode. If you enter, the student will see the different practice steps created by the teacher. As you can see, the information for every step is displayed clearly and in an effective way. Let's look at an example. To complete the first step, go to the live image and capture an image of the cell using the 40 times objective. Once this is done, finish this step by attaching the image. Tap on Attach Picture to automatically share it with the teacher, and, if needed, you can also chat with them. After completing all the steps, you will know everything is correctly delivered to the teacher when all the green check marks appear. You will also see the teacher's evaluation through the star rating system. From this tab, the student can directly communicate with the teacher via chat and share images instantly if needed. Sometimes you may need to capture and send an external image, for example, of your microscope setup. In this case, use your device camera. At the top of the app main screen, you will find the Extra Information and Settings area. From here, you can see the name of the student currently connected to MoticNet. This other icon shows if the connection with the teacher is correct. If there is a problem, a red X will appear. The error may occur because the teacher has not started a session yet, or because your device is not properly connected to the MoticNet network system. From the Settings icon, you can scan a QR code, upload or open files, change settings or Wi-Fi, and, through the Switch User option, change the student name or connect to another microscope in the MoticNet network. As you can see, the MoticNet digital solution, including the MoticNet app, helps students transform the way they learn, making lessons more interactive and engaging. See you in the next tutorial.